One of these people earns $36,000 a year. The other earns $250,000, almost 7 times more. So after 10 years, which one has more money saved? The answer is going to feel unfair. And by the end of this video, you'll know the exact, simple habit that decides it. A habit you can start tomorrow, no matter what you earn. Quick reminder, Alex earns a small salary, but every month keeps a little bit aside, about $300. Not exciting, just steady. Jordan earns a huge salary, but spends almost all of it. The nicer apartment, the car, the upgrades. Every raise just turned into a bigger life. So Jordan saves basically nothing. Two very different habits. Now let's run the clock and see what they actually do. So how does Alex actually do it? With one simple trick most people get backwards. Most people spend their money first and try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. And guess what? There's never anything left. Alex does the opposite. The moment the money comes in, Alex moves a small slice away first, before paying for anything else, then lives on what's left. That's it. It even has a name, paying yourself first. You're not saving the leftovers. You're making your savings the very first bill you pay. And here's why that tiny habit becomes huge. Picture a small snowball at the top of a hill. It starts tiny, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. And then that bigger snowball picks up even more, faster and faster. Money you save and leave alone works the same way. The money you put aside slowly grows a little. Then that growth earns its own growth. So the longer you leave it, the faster it builds, without you doing anything. The secret ingredient isn't being rich, it's time. A small amount, left alone for years, quietly turns into a snowball. So what does 10 years of this look like? Let's find out. 10 years later, Alex, the one earning $36,000, has put away around $50,000. Real money, a real cushion, and a habit that just keeps snowballing. Now Jordan, the one earning 7 times more, Jordan has almost nothing saved. Maybe even some debt. Let that sink in. The person earning a fraction of the salary ended up with far more money in the bank. How is that even possible? Here's the part nobody wants to admit. It's not that big salaries are bad. Here's the honest truth. Jordan could have crushed this. On that income, Jordan could have saved a fortune. But Jordan never built the habit. Every extra dollar just bought a bigger life. A huge salary with no gap builds nothing. A small salary with a steady gap builds wealth. Money doesn't grow because you earn a lot. It grows because you keep some, on purpose, again and again, and give it time. Which means the winner here was never really about the salary. It was about one choice, repeated. And that choice is yours too. So here's exactly what to do. And you can start tomorrow. Step 1. Find your gap. Look at what comes in and what goes out. The difference is your gap. Step 2. Pay yourself first. The day money lands, move a slice away before you spend anything, even 10%, even a little. Set it to happen automatically so you don't have to think about it. Step 3. Don't touch it and let time do the work. And one bonus rule that beats Jordan's whole problem. When you start earning more, put the extra into your gap, not into a fancier life. That's it. That's the entire game. You don't need a big salary to win. You need a small habit, starting now. If this gave you something you can actually use, subscribe. That's what this channel is for. Real money skills, in plain English. No hype. And next, we open the books on real jobs. How much different people actually take home, and which ones surprise everyone. See you there.